Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the series of videos in which we are showing you how to create a dashboard using Microsoft Excel as a front end, whereas on the back end we have a database that is on Microsoft Access. Microsoft AccessDB is a great database management application which is good for the beginners. Later on they can switch to more advanced and more versatile and useful databases like SQL Server or they can directly go to that. It means I'm not saying that you got to pass through the stage of the Microsoft Access, but we are just showing you how you connect your front end, which you have developed using VBA in Excel, and how to connect it to the database. And for this, we have started with the Microsoft Access. Well, later on, sometime, inshallah, we may take you replace this database in Access into the SQL Server and with minimum changes, and the application will still work. Okay, so in this dashboard, in previous videos, we showed you how using the user selection. This is your starting point, you start, right? The starting point is actually when you load the file. When you open the file, the setup sheet is refreshed. Any new record added is updated in here, right? And then the dashboard can can be for any user which you select, right? For example, yeah. So our test is for Robin, and this is Robin Justin. Okay, so this is its status at the moment. We want the second line of the title be replaced with the dynamics. We want this to have some means here we want to put any title, say that is any activity or exercise. Whatever the thing which you write here, it should come automatically in here. How would it come? It's very easy. So you know that we have a procedure. If you go to the view code and you go to the procedure in which you are creating a chart, right? This is where you create a chart. Yeah, recreate the chart, and here is the title which is being written, right? Where is the chart title? This is the first one. This is the title. Yeah. Check where is the title text is written. Yeah, this is select performance, right? So what we got to write here is a formula. Yeah, we write a formula. This is the qada salat performance is the total is the sheet, and it is replaced with this. Yeah, selection format, text format. This is G3 is the name of the user. That is followed by a carry return and this one, right? So here you are going to write a VLOOKUP formula. Variable, we say control X, and we say my title. So what is my title? Or my title can be just like this. See here, my title, my DB title is equal to this. Okay, so let me check. Let's say my title. It's better to read my dashboard title. What? O3 and G3. Okay, this is O3. So it is going to be not what you have to look up is not the G3. You got to look up F3. This was the reason it was not working. So you are going, you are looking up not G3, F3. F3, yeah. Now you can use 0 false or false. So that should work. So you are right. You must look up the right thing to get the right result. Yeah. If you say exercise 101 comes into there, and that is going to be displayed. Okay. Here you got some problem in the format. Okay, that's not an issue at all, because yeah, that is using certain characters to be of different range. Okay, so what we do here is that we say on error, ignore. When we want a certain errors be ignored, well, we can do this on, but we have to immediately terminate it. On error, go to 0. This is very, very important. If you leave it open with an on error resume, no error uh, will be shown, and it may create not the desired result. Yeah? Then it may miscalculate many position location, right? So out of bound. So this is again out of bound. So we can say here on error, assume next. Go to 0. So this way we are ignoring those some things which we did during recording that was valid at that time, but now no longer needed. So the program is successfully created, and you will see the Rowan Justin desired title of the dashboard is now being picked directly from the database, right? So let's, the previously it was like this, and so it is now adjusted, right? So if you click on this, okay, so it will display the chart, and you will see that the user's desired title is shown. From where it is coming directly from the setup. This is the setup range, and this is where. But from where will it come? You will not add all these things manually. These are coming from the database. Hmm? So in the database, it should be here, exercise. Only one, for example, there. So Robin Justin, yeah. So let's first of all see that mm, uh, our access table has saved what we have run. Yeah? Let's go and see the access. This is our access table, right? And where is our database? This is our color tracking database, and this is our user table. And here we have the title, exercise, right, 101. Okay, now when this we wrote, right, we remove it, and when we run it, means we are opening the file. At the time of opening, this will happen. So let's see it. So it has done it, right? It has opened. So in the setup, you will see that it reappears, right? You can close this file and reopen it, and you will find it. This will, right? This is where you have. Then now let's open it. When you open it, it will reappear. Yeah, this is this. It makes sure that all the reports which are as appearing in this database uh, in the table, users table, they are coming here. So once it comes here, and then you use the Rowan 001, so you will see that the desired title it will start coming on the chart, right? So this is how we make your other our system dynamic and changing as per the users. In our previous video, we show you that when it uses Mario Bargola, so its currency is changed. Why it is changed? Because Mario Bargola has a different currency, PSO, right? And this is how it is being calculated at the rate of 190 pesos, right? So it's being calculated, right? So this is also, so we have added a new function that your chart is appearing with the desired, with your desired title. And the title is coming directly from your table, the table which you have in the Access, whatever the table you have. Uh, so it is showing that, right? The table you have, whatever the record you have in the table, right? And the description which is here of the DB dashboard title, which was written, so it is coming directly into your report, yeah, like this. Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.